And good morning, everyone. Magandang umaga sa inyong lahat. First of all, thank you sa mga attendees natin for today. I would like to acknowledge then a few people on behalf of the Chiang Kai-shek College. So, together with us din po ang ating head ng aming research office and application, Dr. John Reyes Valentino. And also, ang mga estudyante po namin dito, mga senior high school student po namin sila. I'm very glad na punta po sila at manood po at matutunan talaga po ano po ang Toddler Rivals workshop po dito. This is the first time po for our school to be part of this kind of workshop po. So I hope, hopeful po for the next time, next year, next month, nakakalun pa. Next week. Dahil sa sobrang ulan, ngayong araw na ito ay very kalmado. Yun. So, I hope this will be the first time and more to come din po. So, thank you very much.